Enscape Windows Setting Effect. General Setting in Chaos Enscape. We click on this icon to open Windows Setting. The upper part is called Customization, which it affects with Run Enscape window. Icon is what we see here, as well as this one. Window title, we can override the above. If we disable, it shows like this Enscape and the file name. When we enable, we can override its name. Loading screen is this image. When we start Enscape, it will show a tab like this. Its size is Full HD. And we can also add watermark too. We just create. Its size is the same as the image. And we put our watermark where we want to put. The second option is input. We can say that it is related to the general setting of navigation. Mouse settings, mouse speed, mouse smoothing. So we can come and see more about this feature. Movement speed, height reference, and we have a shortcut. Screenshot. This option, or we can consider it rendering. Top colme divis. This option, we never touched it. It's just an option that separates the screen into two. This preferences option. Top pin Enscape window on top. When we first open Enscape, this option is disabled. So when we work on SketchUp, our Enscape is gone. When we enable, when we get into SketchUp, our Enscape is on it forever. Sound, when we use sound, we need to enable it to hear. If we do not enable it, our sound is not heard in the Enscape. And this option, open when necessary. In customization, we can create. Our style is like what we see here is a style I create.